Hey there. So, if you're a florist, I have a super handy spreadsheet that could help you stay organized. This is my flower arrangement planner. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. This is how it works. So, what we're going to do is we're going to have a client that we're working with. So, we'll put in the client's info, their address, and the event location. So, say it's at their home. You can put the actual address if you'd like. You can say if you're going to be making them a bouquet or a centerpiece, the size, the style, and then the name of it. So say this is going to be a birthday centerpiece, and it's going to be the occasion is going to be birthday, and then the date of the event. So double click, and you will choose the date, and then this will help you to figure out cost of the arrangement. So say you're going to be using roses. You're going to be using 24 stems, and it's going to cost you say $48. You can put all of the information in here. This will calculate how much it will cost for you to make it. You can put in how much supplies you're spending. So say you spend an additional 20, you spent $20 on labor. You're going to mark this up. If you mark this up 50%, it will tell you how much the markup is. If you're going to be marking it up 25%, you can put that in there as well. And then it will help you to figure out what your sales price will be. So if you wanted to mark it up, 75%, you'll charge $196.71. This will be the day you order flowers. So I've got this marked 5 days, so it's minus 5 days. That's in the formula before the event. Confirming the event is automatically minus 5 days. When you're going to make the arrangement, I've got this set at 2 days before. If you want to do this 1 day before, you can just change the formula. And delivery date, you'll put that in there yourself. So you'll choose the date of delivery. This is your to-do list. If you need to confirm the order flowers and supplies, all of those things. If you wanted to change this, you're more than welcome to highlight this, delete it, call client, email client, whatever is your to-do list, and then you can check this off. So this is really helpful. You can also duplicate this. So say if you want to duplicate this, we're going to rename this for client 2. So now instead of just the birthday centerpiece, you can say this is going to be, wedding bouquet, whatever you want to call it. So now you can, rename it for each one. So now you can keep organized for each flower arrangement. I do have a flower business bundle that has all the spreadsheets that can help you to stay organized with your business, including calculators, bookkeeping, marketing templates, and such. So that's available at my website. I'm at savvyandthriving.com, and you have a great day.